Hey everyone, today we're talking about something serious. Why DeFi hacker attacks are so common these days. First of all, the DeFi space is a prime target for hackers because of the economic incentives. DeFi protocols are open and transparent, making it easy for hackers to exploit vulnerabilities for a quick profit. That's why there are so many hackers out there trying to get into the DeFi game. Secondly, a lot of DeFi developers are more concerned with adding new features and products than with security. They tend to prioritize functionality over security consciousness when designing their protocols. This often means that security audits and vulnerability remediation get neglected, which creates an opportunity for hackers to attack. And lastly, some hacker attacks are actually initiated by state-level organizations. These groups are highly secretive and persistent, and they specifically target financial institutions, military organizations, and cryptocurrency exchanges to make huge profits. Their advanced attack methods and abundant resources pose an even greater threat to DeFi projects. That's why DeFi hacker attacks are so common these days. Stay safe out there and make sure you're doing everything you can to keep your assets secure.